CBI portable chippers are the most productive and reliable in the world, consistently outperforming the closest rivals up to 50% every day. And the ChipMax 484 is no exception. With a high production capability of 100 plus tons per hour, the ChipMax 484 challenges even the best loader operators to keep up. Compact yet enormously productive, the ChipMax 484 is an extreme-duty biomass production workhorse, providing owners with years of trouble-free service. Let's take a closer look at what makes this machine the best in its class. The main components, such as the rotor, chipper box, and feed system, are significantly stronger than any other machine on the market. The 12-foot by 48-inch feed conveyor is designed with troughed sides, impact plate in the bottom, heavy-duty head and tail pulley, and is driven by a rugged high-torque Poke-Lane hydraulic motor. The 30-inch upper feed roller also features a built-in high-torque Poke-Lane motor and lifts to full height for full and easy access to the heavy-duty rotor and anvil. Knife replacement is fast and easy on the ChipMax. No more kneeling on the infeed when servicing the machine. The 48-inch wide by 40-inch diameter 2-knife or 4-knife drum rotor is engineered with a 6-inch solid plate pocket and mantle design, making it by far the strongest rotor in the world. To accelerate the chip discharge, the ChipMax features a hydraulic-driven blower. The non-contact and wear-free design automatically increases power only when needed for maximum efficiency. In order to be the best, the ChipMax uses nothing but the industry's finest components. It's powered by a CAT C18 765 horsepower diesel engine and equipped with an extra-large AKG radiator, FlexAir auto-reversing fan, PT Tech PTO, Bearco undercarriage, and a Parker iCan control system for increased monitoring and protection. A two-way radio remote controls all functions of the machine and keeps the operator fully informed by receiving and displaying vital machine data. At CBI, we're in tune with our varying customers' requirements. This allows us to custom tailor our machines to fit your individual business needs. Customization begins with multiple chipper rotor options. You can go from making high-quality fuel chips custom-sized from 12 to 25 millimeters to microchips 2 to 12 millimeters. These microchips produce a consistent fiber length that dramatically reduces the overall cost of producing pellets as well as improves the function of small boilers. Multiple conveyor lengths and styles are available as well. Owners have a choice between an apron-style conveyor that prevents material spillage and a 4-strand heavy-duty box chain which allows abrasive fines to be screened prior to chipping. The discharge chute can be ordered either in straight, flexible, or vertical configurations with a hydraulically actuated standard, pivoting, or rotating chip deflector. With the patented flex chute configuration, the ChipMax is the only machine in the world that can adjust in seconds to accommodate open top or end load style trailers. The vertical chute model features a hydraulic operated collapsible discharge chute that facilitates chip broadcasting or top loading of trailers. The chute hydraulically rotates 290 degrees, allowing broadcast spreading of chips in any direction or top loading on either side. Adding to its versatility, the ChipMax is available trailer-mounted, track-driven, or truck-mounted with a hydraulically operated 360-degree swing bearing and is road legal in both width and weight. At CBI, we build machines based on total ownership rather than compromising quality, ensuring the greatest level of uptime and reliability. Whether you're in your backyard or at a remote location, you can rely on the ChipMax to stay running and get the job done. The ChipMax 484 is built to be what other machines in its class are not: productive, strong, uncomplicated, and a damn good investment.